In this video lesson, I will demonstrate how to create custom patterns using the Pattern Stamp tool in Adobe Photoshop. My name is CJ Robb and I'm your facilitator. Let's get started. In the Photoshop document, create a new layer for each part of the chair. Chair seat, chair face, chair legs, and chair neck. Next, organize the new layers into a single folder. To do this, highlight each of the chair layers holding down the Shift key. From the Layer Panel mini-menu, create a new group from layers. Name the new folder Chair. Make the chair seat layer the current layer. For the next part of the lesson, let's open the new image file for creating the custom pattern. Go to the File pull-down menu to Open and browse to find the downloaded wood image. This file should be open in Adobe Photoshop, as well as the working drawing with the chair. I will toggle between the two open drawings here. You can also see that there are two files open by going to the Window pull-down menu. At the bottom of the panel list, you will see each of the files currently open in Photoshop. Working on the Material Image file, go to the Edit pull-down menu to Define Pattern. You will be saving this file as a pattern to the Photoshop Pattern Library, which we will be able to access in any drawing from this point forth. Give the pattern a unique name, such as Bamboo Light Horizontal. Apply the pattern we just created using the Pattern Stamp tool. Toggle back over to the working file. Before applying the pattern to the chair, again, make sure the chair seat layer is current. Use the Magic Wand tool to select the chair seat area and make sure Sample All Layers is checked on the Options panel. We now need to locate the Pattern Stamp tool. Let's take a hyperpause here. The Pattern Stamp tool is located on the main toolbar. 5 icons from the top on the right-hand column. The Pattern Stamp tool is housed in the same location as the Clone Stamp tool. Pick and hold down the icon to make sure you have selected the correct tool. As soon as you have selected the Pattern Stamp tool, look to the Options panel at the top of your drawing environment. Go to the Pattern drop-down arrow here and locate the pattern you just created. If the pattern library does not retract back into the Options panel, simply pick in an open area along the gray band as you see me do here. Now place the pattern onto the chair seat with the Pattern Stamp tool. Let's take a hyperpause here. Make sure that the pattern stamp has a large enough diameter to place the pattern in just a couple of strokes. What you don't want is a stamp diameter that is too small. If you do not see a circle on your screen, such as mine here, it could be that your caps lock is on. Toggle off the caps lock in order to see the stamp diameter. To increase the diameter of the pattern stamp, pick on the right square bracket on your keyboard. Alternatively, to decrease the diameter of the pattern stamp, pick on the left square bracket on your keyboard. Once you have placed the material on this section, deselect the chair seat. Deselect keyboard keys are Command-D on a Mac and Control-D on a PC. Let's repeat the pattern stamp on the chair face. Make the chair face layer the current layer. Use the Magic Wand to select the chair face and make sure that Sample All Layers is selected on the Options panel. Now switch to the Pattern Stamp tool. Place the pattern onto the chair face with the Pattern Stamp tool. Once again, deselect the area before moving on to the chair legs. For the chair legs and chair neck, we will need to rotate the grain of the wood in the digital sample. To do this, we need to toggle back to the open wood material file. Notice that the wood grain is in a horizontal presentation. Rotate the image 90 degrees by going to the Image pull-down menu to Image Rotation. Choose either 90-degree rotation choice, since it doesn't matter for this instance. We now need to save this as a new pattern since the image has been rotated. Again, go to the Edit pull-down menu to Define Pattern. Give this pattern a unique name such as Bamboo Light Vertical. Toggle back to the working drawing. Make the chair legs the current layer. Use the magic wand tool to select the legs. Go to the Pattern Library on the Options panel. Pick on the down arrow and select the new pattern with the vertical grain definition. Place the pattern stamp onto the chair legs. Deselect the chair legs once you've completed the pattern and repeat the process with the chair neck. If you followed the layer organization suggested in this video, you should be able to add highlights, shade, and shadow with tools such as Dodge and Burn to create a more dimensional look to the chair. You can learn more about these techniques from videos on this site.